Hey guys, I'm here again with a quick wall light I did for my mom. She saw one online and really liked the idea, and I really wanted to go through this pile of old Himalayan cedar door frames, so I took this half burnt one out and got it cleaned up. As usual, I started off with marking all my cuts and holes for the rope and the joint. I got a round bit for making holes, and that was a real pain because I realized after a whole 20 minutes that this was meant for half-inch ply or MDF, and this cedar was bought seasoned 40 years ago and had been sitting out in the open for the last 15 years. So I went out and got this, which made my life somewhat easier. Then I just sanded it down to get a smoother finish and joined the pieces together. After that, I just gave it a nice wipe down and then a coat of clear varnish. Once dried, I went on to putting in the wiring and holder for the bulb with the rope. Once I was happy with the assembly, I picked a spot to mount it and wired it up. And there we have it. I hope you liked the light. Do like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching my video.